Hi, this is Eric with Auto Tinting Austin. I just wanted to give a comparison of products for dealerships. This is one of our competitors' films. We just pulled it off of a car because they had left imperfections, and it's remarkable how little infrared heat rejection it provides. So this is a global film, 5% carbon, and as you can see, that IR, the middle reading there, it is not even barely hitting 10%. That's just blocking nothing. It probably will make the car even hotter. And this is our just basic grade carbon. I mean, we've got even much higher quality film. This is our most basic grade. And this is the type of infrared heat rejection you're going to get. I mean, I don't know if you just saw that number jump up there. And that's for our most basic grade of film. We have two other films, even higher grade. But anyway, this is the global film that we tested. And just want to give you a comparison of what you're really paying for.